Hey everyone, in this video, we'll learn how to complete a league training match in FIFA Mobile. First, open FIFA Mobile on your device. When you start the game for the first time, you'll be prompted to enter your age for verification. Next, choose a platform to sign in with, such as Google, or opt to play as a guest if you prefer not to link an account. Once signed in, select your home team. This choice can influence your league matchups and the types of events you'll encounter. Then, enter a player name to personalize your profile. After that, you'll choose a player for the training match, which allows you to try different roles and get familiar with the controls. Follow the on-screen instructions to begin your training session. You'll go through the basics of gameplay, including passing, shooting, and defending. Complete each training task carefully. Once you've finished all the steps, you'll have successfully completed the league training match. Now you're ready to dive into regular games. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content.